Hi everyone, it's Tom from BV again. It's been a really long time since we talked and I know a lot's happened. Today what I'd like to do is show you some products that we've come out with to help in this strange time in monitoring people's health and their temperature and proper face mask wearing. So this is what I'm going to walk you through today. So today I want to show you two different products that we have that I think will be really beneficial for you. The first one is this right here. This is our monitoring station with temperature, camera, and face mask detection. So you can see it's just on a small little tabletop mount. This thing is awesome to put at the receptionist desk or any kind of membership desk where people need to walk up. And it's easy that you can just kind of pick it up and move it around to different places if you need to. The second option is this guy here. And as you can see, this is much larger. This is a floor stand. Works great in a lobby. Doesn't need to be manned or anything like that. Works great next to punch in and punch out clocks for payroll. You can kind of just set this one up everywhere. Okay, so we powered up our temperature station. It takes about a minute to get up and running, but it should be good to go now. Let's take a look at it, see how well it works. All right, so I'm gonna start by just taking my temperature just to see the baseline. Let's see what we get here. It's like 97.7. And now let's check it on the temperature scanner. All right, as you can see, we got everything set up. Now, as I walk towards this, any temperature over 100.4 right now will trigger an alert. It will send a push notification to the app for the system admin to come and follow up with me. Let's check it out, and hopefully we don't cause that alert to go off. Let's check it. Walk towards it. So it's pulled me in, 97.4 degrees. Got my no mask warning, and it's doing exactly what we want it to do. I'm about 6 feet away from it right now, and it's be able to read me from that, which is great for social distancing. All right guys, so there you see a couple of the items that BV is bringing to you to help you out. If you like these products, don't forget, just leave us a message down below. We'll get back to you. And if you want to see more videos, you can click up over here, and then don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks, and stay safe. See, we got 97.6. Perfect, awesome.